Hi viewers. Due to some technical glitches, the session got disconnected, and I have reinitiated the invitation to ma'am. So please stay tuned with us. Ma'am will join shortly. Yeah, yeah, it's a net problem. Yeah, it's a technical glitch. Please bear with us for a few more minutes. Yeah, I have sent the invitation link to ma'am. Let us stay tuned with for a few minutes. Will ma'am join shortly with us? Yes, ma'am. I have sent the invitation, ma'am. Are you able to see my invitation, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry
Yeah, ma'am.
for the interruption.
It's yeah, it's from
Some
that.
technical
Yes,
issues,
ma'am.
I
That
think so.
technical glitch is always happen, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please
Yeah.
continue, ma'am.
Okay. So I was talking about honesty and integrity.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is also one very important thing. You have to be honest at all times and
Yes,
true
ma'am.
to yourself. Okay. So as I mentioned, one was you should know your procedure of the test.
Yes, ma'am.
Very clear.
Yes,
Second
ma'am.
is whatever you write, each word in your biodata, understood? PIQ
Yes, ma'am.
should be known to you. They could ask anything about your hobbies, they could ask anything about your native town, favorite subject. Like they asked me, what is your favorite subject? I said maths. Immediately they asked me one profit loss question. So there you cannot bluff just for the sake of saying that this is my favorite subject. They'll ask you anything. If it is a
Yes,
favorite subject, you should know about it, right?
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next is in your group task. All these officer-like qualities are assessed throughout the SSB. Okay. Now, throughout the SSB doesn't mean from the railway station. Okay, people have this thing also in mind that I am being observed. It's not
Yes,
like
ma'am.
that. So, we analyze the officer-like qualities in, like we give you a leading task, we give you a group task, we give you a half task. So
Yes, ma'am.
we try and find out how well you gel with your team, whether you'll be able to lead. So once you're giving that leading task, then you give you a group task, how you perform in this group,
Okay.
right? As
Okay,
a
ma'am.
team, how do you perform, right? So okay, there'll be many things which are given to you, something rassi, fatta, valli, whatever.
Yes, ma'am.
Observe, listen to me carefully. Seeing and observing are different things. I repeat, seeing and observing are different things. All those who are live with me, if I ask you, if you're wearing a watch, can you tell me right now whether in your watch, wristwatch, you have Roman numbers like 1, 2, 3, or you have dots without looking at the watch? Can you tell me? You're wearing that watch daily. Understood what I'm trying to say?
Yes,
Look
ma'am.
at a particular thing. As a science student, you must have read about a chapter in class 8 or 9, simple machines, that is lever, fulcrum, load, and effort. You understood what I'm trying? Do you recall?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now it is like if you have to open a can of, let's say, ghee. So what do? You take a spoon and you push it,
You push. Yes,
or a
ma'am.
bottle of water. So you observe now. Now start observing things. Why I'm saying, I'll tell you later on.
Okay.
A seesaw. Where is the load? Where is the effort? And where is the fulcrum? Okay, there are three types of, I don't want to make things complicated. You just go and have a look at these things. Simple machines, lever, first order lever, second order lever, third order lever. That is, you have the four components: fulcrum, lever, effort and load. You'll find it out in Google also. Observe how things work. Now, why I am telling you to go and study this? If you know the basics, right, you can apply it. Like, how does a stapler work? So you will be on the ground, you will be given a plank or some small rassi, okay, or a small ball. How and where are you going to put that ball so that you can flip that plank and use it to your use? Okay. Also observe your team. If there is something wherein you require a person who is heavy, a load in your team, identify your team's strengths and weaknesses. Even the weaknesses which you feel can be used as a strength at another time, at another place. Like if a person is tall and if the length of the plank is short, he can be used as a filler.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Well, you have to think. Always focus on what you have. I'll tell you a small example of Apollo 13, the mission on moon. It was almost aborted. And that mission, the people out there from the space were sending distress signal that this has gone wrong, this has got wrong. And you know what message was given? Don't tell me what you don't have. Focus on what you have. So you may land up in any situation. It could be a war zone, it could be anywhere, it could be a battlefield, it could be normal life-saving situation. Don't start asking, ye nahi hai, wo nahi hai. Jo hai, usko dekho, look around. Find what is available and find a solution to it. So your team is what is available to you, right?
Okay.
You
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
manage with your team. Focus on your strengths.
Yes, ma'am.
Know the vulnerable point of your team. Who is the weakest link? A chain is as strong as its weakest link. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody is saying कि हिंदी में बोलिए सबको समझने में आसानी होगी. I am okay with it. I'll speak mix, okay?
Yes, ma'am. That would be helpful
Okay.
to all the aspirants.
So ये जो लाइफ में जैसे जो भी चीज आपको टीम में एसएसबी की तैयारी के लिए आपको करनी होती है, प्लीज हिंदी में बात कीजिए. ओके शुभम, आई विल डू इट. सो आप सभी चीज का ध्यान दीजिए, ऑब्जर्व कीजिए चीजों को. एक टीम में क्या कमियां हैं और क्या स्ट्रेंथ है, सबको जानिए. सभी कहीं ना कहीं आपके लिए जरूरी होता है. ठीक है, तो आप अभी तक मैंने आपको क्या बातें बोली. एक तो पहला है कि आपको सिलेबस
Yes.
पूरा इन एंड आउट. ओके, इंग्लिश इज नीडी, यू शुड नो द सिलेबस, राइट?
Yes,
सो
ma'am.
syllabus is one thing, very important. Second, as I mentioned, know about your PIQ. जो फॉर्म आप भरते हैं, PIQ, पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन क्वेश्चनर. सो ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड, हर एक वर्ड उसमें आपको पता होना चाहिए. जो आप लिखेंगे, whatever you write there, you should know each and every word. Be truthful, honest रहिए. ठीक. सेकेंड इज, मैंने आपको बोला मशीन, सिंपल मशीन्स के बारे में, राइट? यू हैव टू लर्न अबाउट द, ऑब्जर्व, नो अबाउट द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर, सेकेंड ऑर्डर एंड द थर्ड ऑर्डर. Okay, so liver, fulcrum, load and effort. This
Okay.
will help you in your ground task. Okay, be conversant with your current affairs. Morning में जो newspaper headline. Next is about lecturate. Now people get stuck if you are given a bowl and asked to pick up topics.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So you choose one topic. Whatever you're comfortable, pick up that topic. Okay. Now you will ask me, I don't know any of the topic. What should I do? क्या करें उस समय? So, out of the options available, pick out one topic which is little bit familiar. थोड़ा बहुत भी उसके बारे में मालूम है. Try and connect that topic with something which you know. ठीक है? जो भी आपको उस टॉपिक में से सबसे आसपास मालूम है उससे कनेक्ट कीजिए, राइट? एंड नाउ ट्राई एंड लिंक इट विथ सोशल एंगल, एनवायरमेंटल एंगल, इकोनॉमिक एंगल, लीगल एंगल, कुछ भी आप करके उसको कनेक्ट कीजिए तो आपके पॉइंट्स बन जाएंगे. लाइक आपको अगर 2-4 मिनट बोलना है तो कैसे बोलेंगे? यू विल हैव टू think of a framework in your mind. Okay, introduction, and say little, and say something about that topic, and come to a topic which you know about it.
Okay.
And this is the worst case. Okay, you should prepare. I'm only telling you what in case you're stuck. क्या करेंगे
Okay.
उस समय? तो जो भी चीज आपको पता है आप उससे कनेक्ट कीजिए. Okay, so introduction and then your points. As I mentioned, 4 point. कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा है किसी तरह से उसको सोशल से कनेक्ट कीजिए. Okay, social, economical, legal, environmental, try and connect it. And then conclude. Conclusion is also equally important. Okay, so this is as far as your lecturate is concerned.
Okay, ma'am.
And what else? Okay, liver fulcrum. So you have to be honest everywhere. And as I mentioned, try and like word association test. You have to WAT.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you could be given a word like knife. Okay? Now, you need not think about knife, murder. A knife is also used to cut vegetables. Sabjiyan bhi to katte hain. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's not like. And even if you're story writing, just observe that picture of yours and find the challenges. I'm not using the word problems. Okay, what are the challenges? I observed something and then I left it. No, you are trained to be a conqueror, right? So think about that mindset.
Okay, ma'am.
What? Like now I'll give you the example. In Mumbai, there is a barge P30. It sank. Now there are many people who started drowning. Now Navy has sent its team, INS Kolkata and Kochi. Now we are not going to say कि ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, हम नहीं जाएंगे. The weather condition is harsh. We are going there, saving people's life. So there is a problem. How you are going to overcome that problem? That also the solution. Who will find out? You will find out.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to find out. So if there is a challenge, a problem, you identify the problem. You find a solution. How you have overcome it. Don't just leave it. I found this lady was walking and somebody came and snatched. What at that particular time? How did you react? How did you help that lady? How that problem was overcome? So conclude. Start, observation, problem, overcome. Everything has to be mentioned there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so some tips from my side. I think you must be
Yes, ma'am.
aware, but
Our followers having another questions, ma'am. Thank you for briefing a lot regarding the word association test, as well as you have also informed us to the GTO task, ma'am. And another common question is how we can prepare for the blank side picture, ma'am. If there is any insight from you, ma'am, because we're having the 12th slide as an empty slide, we need to write a story. So if you give some idea, ma'am, that would more helpful to our aspirants, ma'am.
definitely. See, out of all the stories which is unknown to you, there is one slide which is known to you. Take it to your advantage. Write your own story.
Okay.
That you can keep prepared. This is a plus point for you. You already know the question paper. One question out of the question paper you already know.
Yes.
Prepare your own story. I am so and so, name a person, whatever. Okay. And then write your own story. And how, like you can write why you want to join armed forces, or you tell your life situation, like let's say an incident in your life. How did you overcome that situation? How did you help somebody? Also, while writing your situation reaction test, don't write illogical answers. Let's say there is a fire, electrical fire, spark is going on. I will go and I will switch off that main switch, or I will go and press that off button. Apply your mind. How? I will pick up anything which is non-metallic. First you have to protect yourself. Then only you can protect others. Aeroplane mein suna hoga, flight attendant, air hostess, what does she announce? Before helping others, first put your own mask. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So first, in any situation, first think logically. Time is less. First, protect yourself. Protect yourself doesn't mean I'll run away from the fire scene. Right? So think, if you go and press that button on, तुमको ही shock लग जाएगा. So apply in every situation. Think logically. Logically. I will use a wooden item or a chappal, whatever, an insulated one. Think whatever is available, or a non-metallic thing to switch off the fan or switch off that switch or MCB. Call the electrician and get it repaired. Close that loop. Get it repaired. Don't just say I'll give a call to the or tomorrow I will switch it off and tomorrow I will call the electrician. No, if there is a problem, close that loop. You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Opening, closing. This is another tip which I am giving it to you.
Yes, ma'am. And our next question, ma'am, as you have, you know very well about psychology and you are a psychological officer. What you expect from the candidate, ma'am? You are interviewing some candidate, means what are the qualities you look in that candidate? And another question add on to this, ma'am. How we can develop that quality in our day-by-day life, ma'am, in our daily routine? If we following some habit that would helpful to us to improve the OLQ, like that, ma'am.
Okay. See, joining an armed forces. Okay, if I give you a simple example, if there is a square block of wood and you have a circular hole in between, and I give you a square peg to fit in, will that square peg fit inside that circular hole?
No.
No. So right fit in the right place. What we identify is whether this person is suitable for the armed forces or not. I'm talking about tri-service, Army, Navy, Air Force. Okay. Now, what we observe is how well all these OLQs. Okay. So team building, social adaptability, courage, leadership qualities, initiativeness, all those 15 OLQs we observe. Some of the OLQs you can improve upon. Short term, with habit. Start focusing on positive things. Start observing. Take initiative. Be helpful. Okay. Suppose in your community there is an event which is supposed to be organized. Take initiative. So when you start organizing, you will come to know the various difficulties. Right? So you will overcome it. So unknowingly, you will learn. Unknowingly, you will learn. So these are something which you never know, but you keep on learning in your day-to-day daily life. Okay. Yes, be observant, be logical. Okay. Be ready to take risk, but calculated risk. Initiative also. I'll be doing something. No. You take initiative, but you'll have to put in that much of hard work. Habit. So first and foremost thing which I do is get up in the morning and then clear off my bed. Make your bed. Okay. One US admiral, he said in his famous speech that the first thing in the morning which I do is make your own bed. Once you make your own bed, you'll clear off your thoughts. Come silent. Morning routine, get up, think, take gratitude, exercise, meditate, whatever you want to do. Start your work on a positive thinking. Okay. Social media, something which these days it's flooded with all. Take time out, some time out, but not the entire day. Don't start your morning exercise, your finger exercise. You know what is morning finger exercise? Get up in the morning, pick up your mobile and start scrolling the mobile. This is your finger exercise. So most of you do only this finger exercise. Yes or no? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Yes. Stop this finger exercise.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
And yes,
So
ma'am.
these are some tips, right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And our next question is to most of our followers are female aspirants, ma'am. And today's session, also most of us are the female aspirants. As you are a strong woman and a brave woman, what would you suggest to those female aspirants right here, ma'am? And what the piece of advice to them to step up their self in the career as well as the in daily life for our female aspirants, ma'am?
To all the female aspirants, I would say, welcome to the armed forces. This is the way of life. You know, you will become a different person. I'll tell you from my experience, even though I have transited from the military to the corporate sector. But once a military person, you'll always remain a military person. The way you look at things, your attitude, you know, the resilience, you know, you fall and then you get up. That's very important. It's very important. The way, your way of looking at things will change. The teamwork, the cohesiveness. These days, women also have opportunities to join the armed forces. Way back in 1992, the first batch of women officers joined the armed forces. We did not have the permanent commission, but now we have the permanent commission. So you have opportunities. Just go and grab it. Go and grab it. No? Women pilots are also there. Now there's a new thing which has come, Abhi. That's a very positive news which has come. Induction of, not only in the officers cadre, in the lower ranks also. Induction of military police women, which happened in the month of May in Bangalore. That's a very welcoming step. In some of the Sainik schools, girls cadets have also started joining. That is also one of the welcoming step. So you people have the opportunity. Just go for it. It is good.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now, the next question is very relevant to this, ma'am. As a woman officer and as a woman in Indian Navy, what are the struggles you have faced, ma'am? And how have you overcome that day? And how do you overcome that particular situation, ma'am? Please share some incident with us, ma'am.
I won't say any challenge that way I have faced, because by the time I joined in 2004. Induction of women officers in the armed forces started way back in 1992. Initially, there was an issue of gender sensitization. You know, people were not ready to accept ladies as their bosses.
Yes.
You know, people from different background used to come. But slowly, you know, when they come, they know you. It's not that, you know, initially they may feel, pata nahi kaisi hai, kya bolegi. But if you are good in your work, if you are thorough with your knowledge, competent enough, your productivity shows, they will start following you. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. They will have confidence in you. I'll tell you one simple example. I had a team, like I was working in command in Mumbai. So the officer under whom I was working, once there was some report to be furnished, and the superiors asked him, give me the status of your manpower. And you know what was his reply? I don't have manpower. I have women power. Because we were all females working under him. And he used to say, my department is the best department, the most productive department. We used to finish things on time, not sitting, you know, working late. You know, we prioritize our things, focus on family life also. I'm a mother of 2 children. My son is in class 9 and daughter is in class 4.
Okay.
They are also doing well, thanks to Almighty. No, it's not like that. So I'm also a mother, a wife. I have to take care of my family too,
Yes, ma'am.
and also my organization. So, as a struggle, I would say, if at all, I wouldn't say as a struggle. As armed forces personnel, we are transferred every almost 3 to 5 years. So that is one thing, but then we get adjusted. And this adjustment is actually part of our upbringing. Yeah. Every 3 years, you move to a new place. One field posting, one peace posting, or one base and one shore posting. So you leave behind one family, but when you come to the new station, you make new friends. Initially थोड़ा सा problem है, but change, kids education and all, but navy or armed forces take care of everything. The same school, same syllabus, everything is same. They just change the place,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
things are taken care of. So when I joined navy, initially every 3 years transfer, pack your bags and all, but now it has become a way of life. Our kids have become more adaptable, making new friends.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
learn to gel easily with the crowd. Anywhere they go, they make new friends quickly, and they are very vocal. They are not that shy or that kind of people. So turn your shortcomings into advantage.
Yes, ma'am.
That's there.
Yes, ma'am. And you started your career as a Navy officer, ma'am, and now you are a motivational speaker, life guide, and you also stated that now you are working in corporate life, ma'am. What you see the difference in that both, ma'am, and how you overcome that situation? Because changing from one career to another career is difficult. So how you overcome at that situation, ma'am?
Definitely, it is slightly challenging because being a uniformed personnel and now going to a civilian life, things have changed. But since my husband is still in the armed forces, it has not changed much. I stay in the same house. Okay, so things have not changed that much. But yes, uh, we stay in a very protected environment. Now you come out of that cocoon, and here the way the culture, the work culture is different. But as I mentioned earlier also, we are very resilient,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Easily adaptable. So just it takes time. I'm not saying, after all, we are also human beings.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
took me 2-3 months. No?
Okay.
So I retired in February this year, and today here I am, already on the go.
That's
How much
great,
time
ma'am.
did I take? How much time did I take? That too, I took a break in between. So I just on my foot, up and running. So, as I said, once a military person, always a military person. That the traits, the positive things which the armed forces have imbibed in you, the attitude remains throughout your life.
Yes, ma'am. That's very grateful, ma'am. And last question to you, ma'am. What is the piece of advice you will give to this generation people? Because as a life coach and a motivational speaker, you came across different peoples are getting distressful or getting into bad mood for silly reasons. So, what is the advice you will give to these youngsters, ma'am? This generation people, what is the good advice you wish to give to them, ma'am?
I would say these days people want quick solution,
Yes, ma'am.
gratification, instant gratification. You do this, I'll give you a burger. You do that, I'll give you a toy. Okay. Or else social media likes, how many likes?
Yes, ma'am.
This instant gratification is not going to help you in the long run.
Okay, ma'am.
So one is that. Second is be ready to accept a failure also. It's hard, but it's okay. Fall 7 times, get up in the 8th time.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
modify this Japanese proverb as it's okay to fall, but it's not okay to not get up. Every time you fall, you should get up. Be ready for failures in your life. Okay. But attempt, try and change. Okay, so that is there. And social adaptability, teamwork, in whatever scenario you have, be positive. In the present scenario also, like corona or whatever is going on around us, you can do so much for the community staying inside, your house also.
Yes, ma'am.
Take the social media as an advantage, not time pass.
Yes, ma'am.
Giving precedes receiving. Give more. If you start giving more, you will receive more. Try and help somebody. Let's say you study a topic, you're not understanding. Try and teach somebody. You will never forget in your life.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are some nuggets which I wanted to share.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your time with us, ma'am. And we are very grateful to have you at this time, ma'am. Jai Hind, ma'am.
Jai Hind, Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
We will wind up this session, ma'am, from here. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone.